Okay, this is a cone. So we are going to know a few things about the cone. If you look at this, this is our bottom of our cone. Now we know cones from ice cream cone. And we're going to think about this as a waffle cone. So we're taking a waffle cone in here, and we are looking at that opening at the top where we put our ice cream is round. But the bottom part is curved. So this whole thing is curved. So we need, whenever we do round or curved surfaces, we always think about radius. So our radius is right here. So we're going to make it real big or real small, but our radius is here. But notice that we're looking at this height right here, the depth of our cone, how much ice cream we can put in there. We always have a right angle. So we need that at a right angle. We can make this tall or small. We can do all different things. So what happens, and this is what's called a slant height, and there's all this other parts in here, but we're really just looking at the radius and the height. So interestingly enough, when we open this up, there's our top. We have our circle at the top, and we have in here our almost a semicircle. Not quite, but pretty close. So I'm going to make that radius a little smaller so you can see what we're looking at. But notice what happens when we change the height. Only there's like trying to put those in there, it changes our value on what we have um, in our height with our section. So this is a really nice part in here. So we're looking at here is our cone. So we need to know there's a couple things that we're going to be concentrating on here. And you're like, how are we going to do this? Well, we're looking at it in terms of the fact that they are both round surfaces. So the top of our cone is round, and the part we put our ice cream in, the sides of here are also round. So it's one of those things that we need to be aware of when we're looking at a cone. So the top part would be, so if we were to put another figure on top of it, we could put a cylinder or a sphere or something like that. But it's all round in here. So we'll be using, with these values in here, we'll have to be using our pi value. So this is a cone.